Well, this is Rambo. I'm taking a break from work. Actually getting a workout for the first time all winter. Serious one. And that's good. I need to do it. My body needs it. I need to be sore. Winters in North Dakota are so lazy. I don't know how else to put it. All I know is coming from a hot state, Texas. Shoveling snow has never been in my vocabulary. Even though I live in North Dakota, it's still not in my vocabulary. I will let that shit pile and not give a shit about it all winter. Well, anyways, I'm sitting here on the Harbor Bar docks on break, relaxing. Christopher's taking a nap, and just thought I would share with y'all. The river's hauling ass. Look at that. Moving. Trucking along. Beautiful day today. It's such a beautiful day today. I've seen snakes out. There's the houseboat me and Christopher stayed on, the shanty house me and Christopher stayed on last time we were here. Look at that water rushing by. It's pretty incredible. I do love it here. If I lived anywhere in Minnesota, this is where I would want to live. Like Red Wing or Hager City. Somewhere here in the Mississippi River Valley. Beautiful. Hear the train coming. All right, let's take a walk. Normally, this is where you leave the pier. And that's what we got going on. That's why I had to walk all the way over there to get on the docks. But right there, that's normally dry ground. See the end of the pier right there? That's normally dry ground. It's an island right now. Yep, that's the tree right there that we lit fires under last winter or last fall when I was here. And where I normally camp at on the beach, totally submerged. See if we can see over in the trees here. Everywhere you see a tree, it's normally dry ground. It's underwater. Incredible. There you go. Beautiful day. Harbor Bar, Hager City, Wisconsin, across from Red Wing, Minnesota. This is Rambo the Brand. Next clip coming up is of the work me and Christopher were doing earlier we got real far into it, so that's great. We'll be done with hauling all the liquor downstairs sometime this evening. Looking forward to being done with it, ready to get on the next thing. But it was important to get it down there so they could open back up, and they're open for drinks. The great food ain't open yet, but right now it's getting the drinks back to being served, and they're in there serving drinks. That's the hard work of me and Christopher hauling all that shit downstairs. It's excellent. Glad to be here to help out my friend. Well, peace out. Howdy. This is Rambo, and volunteering with flood cleanup at Harbor Bar, Hager City, Wisconsin, across from Red Wing. They always treated me like family here, so I thought I'd do the family thing and show up and help them with this. We've been moving liquor, me and Christopher, from upstairs where it was safe from the flood to downstairs for, well, since last night. We've knocked out quite a bit of it, as it was all stacked up on the walls. Weird ass camera. Like that. And we are knocking it out. This wall was full too. Got it clear. That wall was full too, and got it down to that. So all we got left is there and there. And I'm happy to be here to pitch in. Everybody should help each other. Peace. Well, super thankful for my son being here, working the stairs. Look at him go. Rock that shit, Christopher.
They'll hire you to work on a beer truck after this.
Right? They make good money, actually. There, I'll get the door. All right. Well, this is what we got so far. This is everything that was upstairs. I appreciate Christopher working the stairs. I'm a little old and decrepit to go up and down the stairs so much, and he's been rocking it. All right, appreciate you, Christopher. Well, it is all accomplished. The whole bar full of liquor that was upstairs is back downstairs, and to where they can get it all back into place. But all the heavy hauling is accomplished. And really gotta salute my son over here for working the stairs, because that was definitely the hardest part of it, was carrying all those heavy cases down the stairs. But he did it. He's a badass. Christopher is a badass. All right. Well, that's that. That project was done. Well, let's flip this around here. Beautiful view of Red Wing from where I'm camping tonight. There's people down there fishing off the docks. Haven't seen them catch anything yet. Hung out a little bit on the on the houseboat right there. That's the one I slept on in the fall. And it's freaking beautiful outside. Absolutely happy. And felt like I accomplished something. I got my bed here in the van, so ain't no ground camping this time. And I'm just gonna sit here and watch the river go by and the trains go by and eat chocolate donuts, 'cause that's what we got for dinner here. And drink soda pop. I kind of broke my sugar. Brad said we could have drinks while we're working. And he ain't got none of those new fancy sugar-free ones. Those Diet Cokes don't taste like Coke. But the sugar-free one definitely tastes like Coke. Duller Coke, but it tastes closer to Coke than the Diet does. Well, anyways, great start to the trip. Van's running good. Tomorrow we're going to pitch in again, another day here. And we should leave sometime on Saturday unless Brad needs us an additional day. But the plan is to be in Kentucky by Sunday night. Because I got work down there to do too, like this. These are the deserving people in my life that deserve somebody to show up and help. And that'd be Brad and Bruce and Becky. If Becky ever needs me, I would jump 10 feet high. Love you, Becky. And there's Christopher one more time. Say hi, dude. He wants to be Silent Bob over there. Well, peace out, everybody.